Yes. So we will start with the exercise 5.3, page number 18. Take pencils in your hand. Okay. The first question, write the product of each of the following. Okay, in yesterday's class we have seen what will happen when we multiply a number by 0, what happens when we take a number and multiply it by 1. Okay, and next one, multiplying by tens. We find a change when we take 23 and multiply it by 10. What change do we find, children? 23 into 10. In ones place, now here 23. Ones place we have 3 and tens place we have 2. Okay. So after multiplying, what do we get? 23 into 1 is 23 and 0 will be written in ones place. Okay. So in ones place now we will have to write 0 and in tens place it will be now 3 and in hundreds place it will be 2. The shift in the numbers, okay, when we multiply it by 10, 0 will come in ones place and shift to, yes, now, yeah, 1 minute. Okay, so tell me what will happen when we multiply a number by 100. As written page number 80. Okay? Yes. If you take 32 and multiply it by 100. Yes. What do you find, children? Yes. First we will multiply 32 into 1. 32 into 1 is 32 and 2 zeros will be kept as it is. Okay? Yes? No. We have not yet started the exercise. Now we will start. This was the revision of yesterday's. Exercise 5.3, first question. Write the product for the following. The first one, 43 into 1. 43 into 1. What is the answer? Yes, it is 43. Okay. So what we have done here, any number, if you multiply it by 1, you get the same number. Okay. Second question, you are multiplying 11 by 0. What is the answer? Yes, it is 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay. Next. Yeah. Yes. C1. C61 into 0. Any number multiplied by 0? 0. Okay. Yes. Next one. D. 215 into 10. 215. Yes. It will be 215 as it is if you multiply it for 1. But we are multiplying it by 10 means there will be 1 0 in the ones place. Okay? Yes. So, next one, E and F is for homework. 92 into 10. What do you get the answer? 336 into 10. 336 into 10 will be 3360. Okay? Yes. Okay? It is very easy. E and F is for homework. Okay? It is very easy. Yes. You have to write it in the textbook only. Second question. Yes. Next. Yeah. Find the product for the following. The second question. Here, tens are written as 30, 40 20, 30, 40. Are they not tens? Ones and tens. They are two digit. Two digit means even they will come under tens. Yes or no? Okay. So we will see 12 into 40. The second question. 12 into 40. I will write the questions first. 8 into 30. C. Yes. 50 into 7. They can even interchange. Okay. D1. 15 into 20. Okay. Till here we will solve E and F will be for homework. Okay. Now tell me, here 40 is also a tens. Whenever you multiply any number by tens, there will be increase in the zero. And remaining, yes, remaining numbers you will have to multiply. Okay. Tell me children, for 12 table, 12 into 4. 48. Yes, 48 and 0 will be written in the ones place. Okay? Yes, 480. Okay? 8 into 30. 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. 0 will be kept as it is in the 2. Yes, 240. Okay. Next, 50 into 7. 7 fives are 35. Yes, 35. 0 will be kept in ones place. Okay. Yes. Now, 15 into 20. 15 into 20. Yes. 15 twos are 30. Yes. 30 and 0 will be kept as it is. Is it clear to everyone? 30. Yes. If it is only 2, then it is 30. We have 20, so the 0 will be written in the ones place after multiplication. Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Any doubts? Okay. Yes. The next one, third, E and F is again for homework. E and F, homework. E and F is for homework. Do it for homework. Okay? In the same textbook only you have to do. The third question, write the product of each of the following. Yes. So the next question, write the product for each of the following. Fourth question, 6 into 300. 6 into 300. Now tell me, it is multiplying by hundreds or tens? 300 we have. It is multiplying by hundreds. Okay, we have also seen what to do in case of hundreds. Okay, next one, 7 into 200. 7 into 200. Next, 4 into 800. D, 700 into 3. Okay. Here, after multiplying the numbers apart from 0, 6 into 3. 6 threes are 18. Okay. Remaining zeros will be kept as it is. Here, we will have now 2 zeros since it is multiplication by hundreds. Okay. These are all hundreds. Okay. 7 into 200. How will you do it? 7 into 2, 14. Yes. And 2 zeros as it is. Okay. Yes. 4 into 800. 4 8s are 30. Yes. 32. Okay. as it is. Is it clear? 700 into 3, 7 threes are 21. Two zeros will be kept as it is. Okay? Here they have given a number and multiplied by hundreds. Here they have just interchanged the numbers. Okay? In the multiplication, if you interchange the numbers, the answer, the product will be same. Okay? Either you do 2 into 1, it will be same. 2 only. You have to either do it as 1 into 2, the answer is 2. So in multiplication, interchange of the numbers, you get the same answer. Product will remain the same. Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So the fourth question, and again E and F will be homework. Okay, solve E and F examples. Okay, next, fifth question, fill in the blanks. Fifth question, here you will have to find the missing numbers. Okay, the two numbers 73 into what number do you get? 0. After understanding the properties that we have studied yesterday, multiplying by 0, multiplying by 1, multiplying by tens, multiplying by hundreds, you can answer the fifth question, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The first question is 73 into dash is equal to 0. What number, if you multiply by 73, you get the answer as 0? 0. Yes, it is 0. Because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay? Next, 6512 into what number, if you multiply, you get 6512. Yes. So, yeah, any number, if you multiply it by 1, you get the same answer. So, it is 1. Okay? Yes. Next, 10 into dash, you will get it the answer 220.
22.
Yes. Why it is 22, children? If you multiply by 22, yes. See, check. 22 into 1, 22, and the 0 is as it is. So, our answer is 22. 22 is our correct answer. Okay. So, if you multiply it by 22, 22 into 1 is 22, 0 is kept as it is in the ones place. Is it clear? Okay. Next, D1. What number, if you multiply by 6, you get 300? Yes. See here? Yes. Why it is 15? In 6 table, what you do, you have to find a number, okay, which should be carrying 1 0. Okay. Just see, if we write only 5, 5 into 6, 30. Till here it is done. Okay. But we want 1 0. This is already complete now. 6 is telling my work is over. Okay. If you write 5, 5 into 6 will be only 30. We want 300. 0 is to be written. So that 0 we will write it as 50. 50, 50. Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, yeah, E and F is for homework. Very simple. 100 into what number, if you multiply, you get 6,700. Yes, it is. What's the answer? 100 into what number, if you multiply by, you get 6,700. For 100, what you should multiply now? Yes? Yes, you have to multiply 67. Yeah, correct. 67 67 into 1, 67. Two zeros are kept as it is. So the answer is 67. Okay. The last one. What number if you multiply by 11, you get 8,800.
800.
Is it 800? What is the answer? What number?
88.
It is?
88.
What is the answer? 800? Is it 800? Is it 800? Check. What will happen if you multiply by 800? 11 8s are 88 and 2 zeros as it is. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. So it is 800. If you multiply it by hundreds, and which hundred you have to multiply? 11 into 800, you will get 11 8s is 88. Yes? Two zeros as it is. 11 8s are 88, two zeros as it is. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So now we will move on to what is a multiplicand, what is a multiplier, and what is known as a product. Okay. What is a multiplicand? The number that has to be multiplied is called as multiplicand. Okay. The three terms that is multiplicand, multiplier, and product. Multiplicand, multiplier, and after multiplying these two numbers, what is the answer we get? Product. Yes. The answer we get after multiplication is known as product. Okay. The number that is to be multiplied is known as multiplicand. What number we are going to multiply, that is known as multiplicand. By which number we are going to multiply is known as multiplier. Okay. And after multiplying these two numbers, multiplicand and multiplier, the answer we get is known as product. Okay. Now, if I tell you, in a cricket stadium, the north stand has 35 rows and with 12 seats in each row. Okay. There are totally 35 rows. Yes. There are totally 35 rows. In each row, there are totally 12 seats. Is it clear? Totally there are 35 rows. Yes, in a cricket stadium we have totally 35 rows. In each row we have 12 seats. So tell me, what is 35 rows? Whether it is a multiplicand, multiplier, or product. 35 rows, 12 seats in each row. Okay, so here 35 is our multiplicand. Did you understand? The huge number, that is 35 rows, and in each row we have 12 seats. Here 12 is our multiplier. We are going to multiply it by 12 to find out totally how many seats are there in a cricket stadium. Is it clear? 35 is our multiplicand. Children, did you understand what is multiplicand, what is multiplier? 35 rows are there in a cricket stadium. In each row we have 12 seats capacity. 12 will be our multiplier. We want to find out how many seats are there in a cricket stadium. What you will do? You will be multiplying 35 by 12. Will you add or you will multiply to find how many seats are there in the cricket stadium? Multiply. How to understand, how to judge whether a problem given is for addition or for multiplication? How to understand whether a given problem is for addition or for multiplication? It can be judged when they ask you for a cricket stadium which is having 35 rows and in each row 12 seats. Can you add two different terms? Here we have rows. For 12 we have seats. Can you add two different terms? Can you add two different terms? 35 plus 12, is it the solution? Or 35 into 12 is the solution? How will you do? To find how many seats are there in a cricket stadium, you will add or you will multiply? Yes. Yeah, we are going to multiply. And how to understand whether the given problem is addition or for multiplication? Two different terms will be given. 35 rows, 12 seats. Now here we have rows and here we have seats. So we are not going to add, we are going to multiply. Is it clear? Now if I ask you in a fruit basket, okay, in a fruit basket we have 12 apples. Okay, I'm telling you, in a fruit basket we have 12 apples and 8 oranges. 8 oranges. Okay, now if I ask you how many total apples and total oranges are there, what will you tell me? 12 apples and 8 oranges. You are not going to add, because for addition both the terms, both the words should be same. In the addition we have seen number of bananas. Okay, the problem we have solved for the addition. For addition both the terms should be same, then only you can add, or else we will have to multiply. The question that now we have seen is 35 rows and 12 seats, there we will have to multiply. In an exam no one will tell you whether to add or to multiply. You will have to see that if all the terms are the same, okay, then you will have to add. If the terms are different, rows and seats, they are different terms, so we are going to multiply. Okay, so here multiplicand, multiplier and product is clear to everyone? Yes? Any, yes, any doubt in today's part?
No.
Okay. Yes. So in the next class we will be solving find the product of each of the following. Here 5.4 exercise along with word problems. Okay, in the next class we will be carrying over the exercise 5.4 along with word problems. Today's homework what all I have given: exercise 5.3, E and F examples in each one question. Okay, and you will also have to learn multiplying by 0, multiplying by 1, multiplying by tens, what is the difference in the product, multiplying by hundreds, what is the difference. Okay, any other doubts? Okay, yes. Now in the next class we will be seeing after how to multiply by 2-digit numbers. Till now, yes, till now we have seen only 1 digit. Yes, in 1 digit what happens? 3 into 1 is 3, 4 threes is 12 and 1 carryover will go to the next number. 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, so this type examples we have gone through. What will happen when we are taking 2 digits? here what we have? It is multiplicand. This is multiplicand. Can you all see the board? It is multiplicand. What is 23 here? It is,
Multiplier.
yes, it is multiplier. What answer we get will be our product. Okay? Any other doubts, children?
No, ma'am.